Have you ever wondered how much a peace of mind a truly innovative security camera can provide for your home or business? Imagine a device that doesn't just watch over your property, but acts as a high-tech guardian. Well, today we are diving into the world of advanced surveillance, exploring a gadget that's changing the game. It's the Reolink Duo 3 PoE security camera. And you know what, guys? Why is this important? Well, in a world where safety and security are top priorities, knowing the ins and outs of the technology protecting us is key. So stick around and I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Reolink Duo 3. It's a security camera that boasts a plethora of advanced features and specifications, making it a top choice for commercial and residential security needs. Now guys, if you don't know Reolink, well, they make a ton of different security tech, and this Duo 3 stands high with its stunning 16 megapixel UHD clarity thanks to two 4K image sensors. Imagine capturing every tiny detail of whatever it is you're trying to protect, even at night, with colours that pop as if it was daylight. Now, before we get into it, guys, Reolink sent me this to review for my honest opinion. And you know, guys, that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or different. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box, and first up we have some paperwork. We then have an Ethernet cable. Now, this does use power over Ethernet, so you're going to need this cable because there is no wireless here. Next guys, we have some cable management, a fixing kit, which we have a bracket and a wall mount. And lastly guys, we have the Duo 3 camera itself. Now taking a look around, and the first thing you're going to notice is this thing is robust. It's plastic and metal, and it feels solid. You also have these two 180-degree lenses to the front with built-in LEDs and infrared sensors. You have a screw mount on the top, and you have the screw mount on the bottom for mounting the bracket. So I've got mine mounted on the bottom here. You also have a screw-in panel which houses the micro SD card slot. And on the back, guys, you have the connecting cables, which are weather sealed. Now, you've got these two connections here. One is for the Ethernet, and that Ethernet can deliver power to this camera and also network connection. Or if you don't have an adapter, or you're not plugging into a switch or something like that that gives you power as well as connection, then you can use an adapter, a power adapter, to plug in here. Now, just to note, Reolink doesn't include the power adapter or the PoE adapter. In fact, I had to reach out and ask them to send me one over so I could make this video. Now guys, this camera uses a special 1.6 super aperture along with a 1/2.7 CMOS sensors. Now, these just aren't technical terms, right? Spelling it out, they mean their camera gets more light, making everything in its view clearer and brighter. And for those who worry about nighttime security, well, this bad boy also has 6 infrared LED lights, and that means color night vision up to 100 feet away. Now guys, because this camera uses two lenses which give you that 180-degree panoramic view, this uses advanced stitching algorithms and a powerful processor to give you that seamless single image with very little distortion and no blind spot. And the motion track feature, that compresses 15 seconds of activity into one clear image, making it a cinch to see what moved and when. So guys, let's get this installed and let's take a look at how good this Duo 3 is. So guys, I have a fairly makeshift installation here, as this does require power to the PoE adapter, and of course a wired connection to your router or switch or whatever you're plugging it into for your network connectivity. But once you're hooked up, this connection is solid. Unlike some Wi-Fi installations, particularly I've tested a lot of these cameras, you know, some Wi-Fi installations, depending on how good or bad your Wi-Fi is really going to determine how quick things happen, how quick the camera sees something, how quick something's detected, how good the actual image is. But you know what? On a wired installation, everything is solid. Now, I have the picture from the Reolink app here, and as you can see, the image is lovely and wide, getting that full field of view, and it's crystal clear. Now, features of the camera and the app, as you can imagine, yes, of course, there's an app, but they are plentiful. You have the ability to zoom in. You can make two-way audio calls. You can turn the lights on manually or leave them just set to motion. You can record video to the cloud or an SD card if you have one installed. You can take a photo or record a video. You can even sound an alarm should you have any unwelcomed attention on your land. And with smart detection and two-way audio, it's like having a smart guard on duty 24/7. Whether it's a person, a car, or even an animal, this camera knows, and it tells you immediately through push notifications or email notifications. And even when I took this indoors to check it out, the image was clear and good quality. And these images are not from the SD card, they're actually from the phone app. So what you would get from the SD card would be even better. Now, indoors, guys, I did notice some stitching, but you can set the distances and also change all of the settings so that you don't see any of that. And guys, the beauty over power over Ethernet means that this is actually a breeze to install. One cable does it all. Power, data, transmission, job done. And don't worry about the weather. Rain or shine, this camera is built to withstand all, thanks to its IP67 weatherproof rating. So whether you choose to mount it on the wall, ceiling, or whatever, it watches over your space without any issues at all. You have versatile storage options, which mean you never have to worry about missing important footage. You can store locally on an SD card or in the cloud, or whether you prefer 24/7 recording, motion triggered events, or setting a schedule, this camera does it all. And with H.265 video coding, your recordings are high quality but take up less space. It's definitely smart storage at its best. So guys, there you have it. The Reolink Duo 3 PoE camera isn't just another security camera. It represents a leap forward in protecting what matters most to us. With its unparalleled clarity, panoramic view, smart detection, easy installation, and versatile storage, there is peace of mind in knowing your property is watched over by some of the best technology out there. So whether for commercial spaces or the comfort of your own home, the Reolink Duo 3 is a guardian in the truest sense. Guys, right now, this Duo 3 is reduced from £180 down to about £153, but I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Reolink for sending me this great security camera to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.